Welcome to a narrative of innovation, sustainability and architectural brilliance. We introduce you to Urbanrise, a real estate sensation in South India, impassioned to redefine urban living. Originating from the house of Allianz Group, Urbanrise obtained a legacy of trust, excellence and a commitment to delivering value. With a remarkable achievement of having projects worth Rs 51,000 crores under execution, they have been shaping skylines with a blend of aesthetics, modernity and sustainability. The history of Urbanrise is told through the smiles of over 9,600 happy customers and sounded in the spread out expanses of 72 million square feet under development across Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Off the vibrant locale of Kanakapura Road, South Bangalore, lies a unique creation, the city with infinite life. A villa project that is a proof to Urbanrise's innovative approach toward real estate development. This project is a sanctuary where luxury meets sustainability, boasting features like bungalow wells and over 1,500 plus naturally grown trees, making it a neighborhood of eco-conscious living. Urbanrise's journey is decorated with honored and satisfied homeowners, represent their motto of creating spaces where dreams succeed. With a constant vision, Urbanrise continues to evolve, embracing modern technologies and sustainable practices, promising an array of groundbreaking projects that are set to further enhance the urban living experience. Urbanrise is not just building homes, they are crafting lifestyles, nurturing communities and contributing to the city's modern skyline. The city with infinite life in South Bangalore is a shining example for this philosophy, charming a lifestyle infused with luxury, nature and modern comforts. Dive deeper into the ethos of Urbanrise and discover a living that's well tuned with modernity and nature. Reach out to us to explore more about this heaven of sustainability and luxury in South Bangalore. Your journey towards a home that resonates with future-ready living begins here.